Wngkha Tripura haste ni jota lokorong no ani khabe khub bai hamjang maya pharo o sha shanlote finally 1st October ni shiminno ni bagi chengjang nai Shorno Komal Jewelers so Shorno Sharat Orgo je jaga megala ki draw no man nai kaitham ranching ni necklace te botong nai la ki draw 21 gold coin diamond purchase khana rong bagi ang shana mo so no rong ni bagi botongo kaitham diamond ni ring te every purchase no rong man nai gift te discounts Shorno Komal Jewelers so phai nai fe government ni jota rider te takle ni chimo shate no pale lai hambai
Saltang babai haste rongni Bisingo Abono Puila Agatala jibi Sakham Nogo wngkha Kaisa Kotor te kuthukku Kaisa operation sangrong sara Agatala jibi Sakham Nogo Kaisa kokthum padaringai operation successful ungmani kokno sawi khana rakha neurosurgeon Dr. Reddy kokthum pada Dr. Reddy no kari boma jakha Agatala jibi Sakham Nogni super Dr. Sanjeev Debarma
Bisikolokma jora romai bisma sajakmani junjalok laijak tongmani Agartala Srinagar amchaini Mosumi Borman mungai bisichichar omorni khoroksa sikli Rajakhora augulio dal bidal Sakham nainai rokbai naijagai bithi chamani yagulo bo phailia hamungni mari paithago silchoro thangi naijakmani yagulo sawimankha bisma o wngkha tumor hanai phiaba delhi o simino operation angnai abuni bagi delhi o khlaijakha refer phiaba rang puisani bialni bagi paithago operation khlaijakya wino kifili phaikha mosumi Abuni yagula Agartala jibi Sakham nokni neurosurgeon Dr. Reddy bai malai rewi Abono MLA Sudip Roy Bormon paithago jibi Sakham nogono wngkha operation salthang babai haste rokni Bisingo Abono Puila Agartala jibi Sakham nogo wngkha Kaisa Kotor te kuthukku Kaisa operation sangrok salo Agartala jibi Sakham nogo Kaisa kokthum pandaringai operation successful wngmani kokno sawi khana rakha neurosurgeon Dr. Reddy Kokthum Pandao Dr. Reddy no Karibo Manjaka GB Sakham Nokni Super Dr. Sanjeev Debarma.
Number of cases in the whole world also. Not so many cases. Very few number of cases. So not only for me, I spoke to my seniors, so many people. I think as far as nobody has operated in my area. I spoke to so many people, so many surgeons.
What is the prognosis of this?
The prognosis is now we have removed the tumor, in total, but chance of recurrence is there. One more thing is that because these tumors are from the spinal cord, we have to cut the root. When you cut the root, always one leg won't work. But fortunately, our nerve is saved and there are no deficits. She is normal, absolute normal. It was a very great thing for us also, from our side.
So as you said, it's very rare case.
Yes.
The surgery is very rare case or?
No, surgery is not rare, sir. The tumor itself is rare. Tumor itself is very rare. So surgery will be rare automatically.
So maybe in whole of Northeast, this will be one of operation?
Yes, sir, maybe. Because when you go to the whole literature, no case is reported in India. It was all from Western countries, America, Europe.
These other cases never happened in India?
Not happened, sir. May not be there in the bada tumors.
This variety of tumor is rare.
There may be rare condition. Not that happened. Their patient also not that.
Across such tumors so frequent.
This journal doesn't have any mention of this sort of big tumors in India.
India, yes. Still we are doing we are taking our literature. Still I am going to literature because I haven't penned this as a paper also. So in my due course I may come with some cases in India also. Maybe they may not have reported. So I am inquiring about the old data. And one more thing is that today it was incidentally till now we operate 499 cases. Today the final case has to be happened. Unfortunately, has been postponed because I got some injury. So tomorrow we are taking up our 500 case. So this is very good achievement which we have because of Corona. So many things we have kept. So I'm going with the time, and we have treated so many number of cases. And like this, we have done so many number of cases, not all this one. So many tumors were removed, so many spine surgeries were done. I think probably I am very much less interactive with the media. So I think I should come up with so many cases we are doing. Very excellent work we are doing with on par with bigger institutes. I can proudly say, because My patients will speak to me, not my thing. So many cases which are done.
Raja Khorang Gulini Shime Pranopni Kokthum Chini Khorang.
কোভিড-19 অতিমারির তৃতীয় ঢেউয়ের আশঙ্কা থাকায় পশ্চিম ত্রিপুরা জেলার জেলা শাসক ভারতীয় ফৌজদারি দণ্ডবিধি 1973-এর 144 ধারা অনুযায়ী সদর পুলিশ সাব ডিভিশনের পূর্ব ও পশ্চিম আগরতলা থানা এলাকায় কিছু বিধিনিষেধ আরোপ করেছেন। এই আদেশ 21শে সেপ্টেম্বর 2021 সকাল 6টা থেকে কার্যকর করা হয়েছে এবং আগামী 4ঠা নভেম্বর 2021-এর মধ্যরাত্রি পর্যন্ত তা বলবৎ থাকবে। এই আদেশে এই সময় যে কোনো রাজনৈতিক দলের সভা মিছিল জমায়েতের উপর নিষেধাজ্ঞা আরোপ করা হয়েছে। এই আদেশ অমান্যকারীদের বিরুদ্ধে আইপিসির 188 ধারা এবং বিপর্যয় মোকাবেলা আইন 2005 অনুযায়ী শাস্তিমূলক ব্যবস্থা নেওয়া হবে। তথ্য ও সংস্কৃতি দপ্তর কর্তৃক প্রচারিত।